Hi, it's Lynette here, and I've just jumped on looking like a complete scruff because I've been caught in the rain about 3 times today, going to the shops, in and out the shops. So I thought I'd just pop on and quickly film the intro for my decluttering video. So if you don't know, this is a video that I've been doing in conjunction with Planet Lottie, who used to be the Wacky World of Lottie, and we gave ourselves the challenge of decluttering 2021 items in 2021. So I didn't start this until May, so it has been quite it's been quite a kind of scrabble to kind of try and catch up. Now I've not been getting rid of things just for the sake of it or decluttering things. They're genuinely things that I would be decluttering, giving away or sending to charity shops. And I probably wouldn't be able to do it next year, but I've enjoyed doing it this year. So I'm going to give you my end of October update. So I'll just got the numbers. And I started October with 541 items. So yeah, the end of so at the start of October there was 541 items left. So as we went into October, I can't get this right. So as we went into October, so I had 541 items. I've used up 118 items, and that leaves me with 423 items. However, I've got November and December to go, so I'm quite kind of think I'll do it because I've got my my minis and my samples, which I've managed to completely pan almost all of them. So by the end of this project I will have, so that'll add quite a bit of bulk. So in total I have decluttered, given away or taken to the charity shop 1,598 items so far. So I'm kind of on track, I think, to finish this project. And I think I will make the 2021 items, so cross your fingers. So I'll just give you a wee recap on this month, and then what will follow is the videos that I've filmed. Not everything has made it onto the kind of videos, so there's things that might have just been a couple of items that I've not filmed. So I'll just roughly go through. In terms of giving away, I've given away 49 things last month, so nope. I am in the wrong month, I think, yes. Moved to November. I have given away 25 items. I didn't think I'd given away that many. So there was an eyeshadow palette, then there was the secret giveaway box, which has 14 items. There was the ASOS box that had 5 items and 3 bottles of alcohol, 2 gin liqueur and 1 vodka that I gave to Stephen. There was 47 empties, which I filmed my empties, but I've also just filmed a quick section of all the empties. I took to charity 4 pillowcases, 2 duvets and 2 sheets, and I decluttered in total 38 items. So I did film that, but I'll just quickly go through it. So there was 2 pillowcases, 1 duvet, 1 fitted sheet that just weren't fit to go to the charity shop, 2 toothbrushes, hair baubles, face scrubs, body brush, exfoliator, pens, there's always pens, sunglasses, some kind of headache things, tin of anchovies that were in the cupboard, massive bottle of sweet chilli which was put in a cupboard when I moved in and forgotten about, shoved right at the back, a mouthwash from Aldi which was horrible, a purse that's got broken zips, plastic folders, 3 drink things, a camera remote and a folder and a wallet. So I think in total it's 118 this month, so I think I've done not too bad. So I'm looking forward to kind of trying to finish this in for 2021 by the end of 2021, but I've really enjoyed it, and it's actually made me kind of really think about what I'm buying and what I'm using, you know, because the things that I'm giving away and the things that I'm taking to charity and the things that I'm decluttering, and I actually won't need to buy any pens for a while because I still have loads of pens, believe it or not. So I hope you enjoy watching this, and I'm not sure when Lottie did her update, but if I can find that I'll pop that in the comments for you. See you soon, bye bye. So just coming to the declutter part of the video, there's not as much as there usually is. So there's a sweet chilli sauce It's out of date. I shoved it in the back of a cupboard and forgot about it. This mouthwash, disgusting. Found that in the back of a cupboard. This is a great mask, but it's been open for about 2 years and you're only supposed to keep it for 6 months. Anchovies are out of date. These face scrubs by eCooking. Well, I don't know what I can say about them, but you put them on and then you're supposed to wash your face. But I feel like I'd smeared my face with like cooking fat, you know, like it was horrible, like lard. Just could not get it off no matter how much I washed. So I tried the other one in case there was a fault, and the same problem with that. A face brush, a little kind of face thing, a bauble, an old purse with broken zips, a couple of those plastic wallets, a beauty thing that I've never used. This forehead stuff was in the cupboard, out of date. I've got these for the sinks, they don't work. Couple of toothbrushes, pens as usual, pair of sunglasses, the remote from a camera that doesn't work anymore, a little, I think you put air fresheners in that, and this is really gruesome, look. It's like you're supposed to roll that on your face. I thought, nah, that is not happening. So that is my items for decluttering this month. I was just filming my empties and I remembered that I like to put them in my declutter pile just because it's things that I'm using up, and I have added the video on if you're interested in watching it, but in total there are 47 items in my empties. So I'm just kind of quickly filming my giveaway items. So Dutch Monique won the ASOS box and the items included, and Sharon Gray won the secret giveaway box. I'm also sending one of my friends the Revolution palette that I just bought. So yep, that's my giveaway items, and I'll total them up in the start of the video because my maths is shocking.